Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm sharing with you all how to make a creamy garlic shrimp. And action. Hopefully she does good. Why does she only do that when I'm about to talk? Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you guys how to make some creamy garlic shrimp. It's an easy shrimp recipe. It's ready in 10 minutes or less. So first you guys are gonna need about a pound of shrimp, either with tails or without. Today we are using with tails for presentation, but usually we use without. Place them in a large mixing bowl, and now we're gonna season them with some salt and some pepper. I do about a half a teaspoon of each, and then you're gonna just stir them. Make sure they all get all that salt and pepper. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Okay, that looks good. And now we're gonna head over to the stove. Hi, my love. Ready to cook? Yeah. Oh my goodness! Place a large pan on medium-high heat and add some oil. Once the oil is hot, add the shrimp in a single layer and cook for about 2 minutes per side, or just until cooked through. Transfer the shrimp to a bowl. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter and let melt. And then 2 tablespoons of garlic and sauté for about a minute or until fragrant. Then pour in half a cup of chicken broth and allow to reduce to half. Now reduce heat to low-medium and add in 1½ cups of heavy cream and bring to a gentle simmer while occasionally stirring. Season with salt and pepper to your taste. Add in half a cup of Parmesan cheese and allow sauce to gently simmer for about a minute or so until the cheese melts and the sauce thickens. Add the shrimp back to the pan. And sprinkle some parsley over. So you guys can serve this as is, or either with some rice or some mashed potatoes, or like our favorite, some pasta that's been mixed through with some olive oil. And all we do is add some shrimp. I add about 3. And then some more sauce. Yummy. And then some more parsley for more flavor and a pop of color. And it looks like this. In the comments below, let me know how you guys would like to serve this creamy garlic shrimp, and you guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe, and thanks again for watching. Bye!